told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Do you see what I'm seeing? Only a couple hours later, I'm in a different means of transportation and I'm also in a completely different environment. It looks like I am straight in Utah or something like that. Let me stop. That's insane. Let me show you. Oh, it's pretty cold and pretty cool. Like, seriously, how sick is that? Like, proper unreal. Like, we're in the mountain, but the rocks are so red. It looks like, yeah, middle of somewhere in Utah. Or it's impressive. Never ever thought we had this around, but that's gonna be the perfect place to send something up in the air and see how it looks. I think I made it to the location I was looking for. Look at this. I'm a bit scared to look down actually. It's like 80 meters tall. And the snow over there just makes it look so perfect. But look at this. Oh, I wish I had time to go down and take a swim. So cool. So cool. Okay. Round 2. How insane, like what are the chances to have an eagle that comes and fly with me at the same time I was flying? Like this is unreal. This is not possible. One last time we check out the view. Flying up here with the bridge and the mountain and the snow on the backdrop was just mind-blowing. And now back to the scenic road. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright.
Allez.
Ça va?
Attends, look at this. Tough.
Oh, that's pretty good, that's pretty good.
So welcome to this super early, couple hours later in the vlog type of mission. Whew, it's super early.
Zero, but I'm used to it, it's fine.
Cheers.
Cheers, we got some homemade coffee.
Yeah.
Nothing's open.
As you can see, there is like a nice motorcycle in the back.
Very nice.
And that's something that I always wanted to shoot. So we're gonna see if we find a location and then maybe fly a couple more of that FPV drone and see if I can try to follow you. That's gonna be tricky. But if you remember, Ao was with me on the snow tour, and he was the one that brought all the way this Raptor from Monaco and also the motorcycle with the stud tires.
Same setup, yeah.
So
we don't have the studs today.
We don't have the studs, but we don't have the snow either. So,
so we're good, we're all sorted.
Yeah, okay. Cheers to an early mission. Okay, so I think we find the location. Look at this. Sun is just about to rise. We were a bit higher before, so that's why it was on the shot. But I mean, all those little ridges here, there, and all that, like this is so perfect. This is absolutely perfect. I just wish I had my motorcycle. I would just wish I had one motorcycle so I could join you and
he's gonna get one.
And yeah, and follow you, and then we can like stop in the middle. But this is like the perfect track to go down. Putain, excellent. And we're back a couple of seconds later, but in complete different environment, which is, look at this. This place in the south of France called Gorge du Verdon. And I am with a different person now, back with Nicolas Gaillard that you know from the previous vlog, one of the best FPV drone pilot in the world. I'm also with Ayo, but he's down there getting ready with two of his friends. And here are the boys getting ready.
Can you see something wrong, baby?
I brought some stuff for you to be warm, and I actually forgot one of the...
This is good, but this is not going to be good for me.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to freeze my foot off.
Wear the flip flop.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So at least it looks nice.
Yeah.
So today we have we actually have two flight boards. The other one is still in the car. Need to set it up, but since we're not that many riders, for now it's not gonna be okay to have one. And then we have two e-surf here. This is gonna be interesting to like try because it's something that I've never tried before. I've tried jet surf, I've tried the Awake, but this one I've never tried. Flavien here is the founder of this brand, so and he's based in the south of France, so it's gonna be interesting to try. I'm gonna show you the board is like fully carbon fiber, like unibody, carbon fiber, pretty sick. Pretty sick. So they're gonna start by going into the water here, play a bit around, and then it's gonna be full filming in the gorge. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, we are all ready.
Are you feeling warm? It's gonna be good. So sick.
Oh. Who wants to get wet?
No! I'm gonna shoot a void. Motherfucker. Okay. Okay, so we're done with the surfing. It was unbelievable. Now it's already sunset. Every time I'm hanging out with Nico, we always start the day super early so we can like have time and not like film the whole day, but we always end up having the sunset at some point. And now it's gonna be the time where we're gonna try the new motion controller. This is gonna be interesting to try, and I'm saying since Nico is more advanced into flying, he has to be the one trying. Okay, suspense is real. Double lock. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Okay, so the gas is making it forward. But no! No! How sick does that feel? Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay, so like this makes it going up. That is so cool! It's pretty hard. It looks so tricky. I think you have to watch in the goggles so then you really see where you're going. Because it's tricky to see, to watch the drone and to try to do this, because once you turn, at some point it just...
Oh yeah.
So how does it feel? It looks like now he is super smooth. Look at this. Whoa! That's like a first timer with no instruction needed. Oh! Is that easy?
Yeah, it's insane.
Okay, my turn. It's pretty crazy. It's actually super intuitive. Oh wow, first time. Oh, towards me.